U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 5. Question 1. What is the state of matter with definite volume but no definite shape? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. Answer B. Liquid. Question 2. Which process separates mixtures based on boiling points? A. Filtration. B. Distillation. C. Chromatography. D. Evaporation. Answer B. Distillation. If you got the first two right, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes. Question 3. What is the charge of a proton? A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Neutral. D. Variable. Answer A. Positive. Question 4. Which element is essential for combustion? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Oxygen. If you got this 4 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges. Question 5. What is the formula for sulfuric acid? A. HCl. B. HNO3. C. H2SO4. D. H3PO4. Answer C. H2SO4. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe and comment below.